Sanibest Pro, a heavy-duty grinding system for full bathrooms and other gray water fixtures anywhere you want with reduced costs. Equipped with a 1 HP pump, it discharges the waste of up to 25 feet vertically and/or 150 feet horizontally. Ideal for facilities below and away from the sewer line, and ideal for uncontrolled environments. The above-the-floor installation is a major advantage. Put in the toilet using the provided rubber connector. The side connections and built-in check valves receive gray water. The vent connection is a two-way air vent. Lastly, the discharge with built-in non-return valve rotates 360 degrees for ease of installation. On the right access panel, you can access the main components for trouble-free maintenance. It's that easy. The Sanibest Pro is your best solution for demanding situations. A product by SFA Saniflo, the worldwide leader in above-the-floor plumbing solutions.